In front of me I've got Motorola One Macro, and let me show you how to hide or show the caller ID on the following device. So at first you have to open the phone dialer, then tap on the more icon, which is 3 dots one in the right upper corner, and then go to the settings. Here you will notice calling accounts, click on Virgin Mobile or any other carrier that you have, and now select additional settings. Just refresh it. And now, as you can see here, you've got the caller ID, simply click on it, and now you can pick show number, hide number, or network default. So if you'd like to hide it, just click on hide, and from now on, no one will be able to see your number. Then once you're with this setup, you can just smoothly change it to show number, and then everyone will be aware of what number you're having. So actually this is it. This is how you can hide or show caller ID. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.